The hot weather season is here. Let's review the types of heat-related illnesses, their symptoms and causes, and how to prevent them. Heat stroke, as well as heat exhaustion, are both heat-related illnesses. These illnesses are caused by exposure to high temperatures and humidity, low fluid consumption, direct sun exposure, limited air movement, physical exertion, and use of bulky clothing or protective equipment. The symptoms associated with heat stroke include confusion, loss of consciousness, and seizures. The symptoms associated with heat exhaustion include headache, nausea, dizziness, weakness, irritability, confusion, thirst, and heavy sweating. If a worker displays the symptoms of heat stroke or exhaustion, immediately seek medical attention. To prevent heat-related illnesses, implement measures such as using OSHA's Heat Smartphone app for Apple or Android. This app allows workers and supervisors to calculate the heat index for their worksite and displays a risk level to outdoor workers. Workers and supervisors can get reminders about the protective measures that should be taken at each risk level, reminders about drinking enough fluids, scheduling rest breaks, planning for and knowing what to do in an emergency, adjusting work operations, gradually building up the workload for new workers, and training on heat illness signs and symptoms. Other measures include ensuring that cool drinking water is available and accessible. Avoid beverages containing caffeine, which can cause dehydration. Encourage workers to drink 1 liter of water every hour. During rest and cool down periods, make sure available locations provide adequately shaded or air-conditioned spaces. When extreme heat conditions are expected, consider altering work schedules. Options can include rescheduling non-essential outdoor work for days that will have a reduced heat index, perform physically demanding work during cooler times of the day, take routine breaks to hydrate and rest in cool or shaded areas, and rotate with other workers frequently to allow for breaks and hydration. Remember, as hot weather arrives, be aware of heat-related symptoms and take measures to avoid heat stroke and heat exhaustion. Check out Safety Made Simple for online training specific to your industry. Remember, stay safe and stay healthy.